저기 엄청난 대군 앞에 어쩔 줄 몰라 하는 사울의 군대. 이때 사람이라고 할 수 없는 덩치의 거인이 나타나 소리치기 시작합니다.
Cowards! All of you! Cowards!
바로 그때 한 소년이 골리앗의 이름을 부르며 등장하는데요.
God give me this ground. Every step, just one step.
작은 돌멩이 하나를 들고 골리앗에게 달려가는 다윗.
Can one stone change the course of history?
이제 시간은 1년 전으로 돌아갑니다. 오늘도 양들을 몰며 드넓은 베들레헴의 목동을 지키고 있는 다윗. 이때 다윗은 어린 양이 다친 것을 발견하는데요. 피 냄새를 맡고 나타난 사자.
Little one, I'm so sorry.
그렇게 다행히도 사자에게서 벗어난 다윗은 집으로 돌아갑니다.
Why could Moses not go? Why did he have to die?
Because when he was very, very old,
Like you?
yes, very old like me, having led Israel 40 years, Moses died on that mountain.
So what did Joshua do without Moses?
Well, God said to him 3 times, Hazak Be'ematz, be strong and courageous. Do not fear, for fear is the enemy. You see? Fear is the thief.
Then why must we still hide?
Because his work is not yet complete.
That's right, David.
사실 다윗은 배다른 형제로 태어났기에 집안에서 그다지 환영받지 못하는 존재였죠.
Aren't you supposed to be minding the sheep, little shepherd?
I did. The lion has returned.
Oh, a lion. And where were you? Off? Singing about your mother?
Speak of my mother again.
Nathanael, David, does the story of our people mean nothing to you?
Forgive us, Father. I was distracted by the shepherd.
David, how many did you lose?
4 sheep.
I'm not a rich man, David.
It was the old king.
That lion is dead.
It was him. Until we truly kill him, the sheep cannot graze there.
You know I can graze no other lands.
Then let's gather some men and hunt it down.
They wouldn't come.
Why? Because of me.
It is not because of you.
All of Bethlehem treats me like it is. Just as my brothers do. I'm nothing more than a bastard in this house.
Where are you going?
Where I belong.
David! David!
결국 다윗은 오늘도 집에서 나와 달빛을 바라보며 하나님께 기도합니다.
Show me your purpose. Show me your will for me. Show me who I am.
한편 오늘도 사울의 군대는 아말렉과 전쟁을 치르고 있습니다.
The last great battle Israel would face before Goliath was against the Amalekites. a brutal nation of blood drinkers who had tormented Israel for generations. King Saul was instructed by the great seer, Samuel, to keep no spoils of war, to take nothing from the Amalekites, and to slay their king, a vicious cannibal called Agag.
전쟁에서 승리한 뒤 사울의 아들 요나단이 상황을 보고받는데요.
How many did we lose? 5,000. Heavy price to pay. But the Amalekites are defeated. We have news of a border village destroyed north of Bethlehem.
Border village. By who?
I'm sending a scouting party to find out.
And get me a horse.
그렇게 북쪽 변경 마을로 향하는 요나단.
Who would do this?
Philistines.
They have been torn to pieces without the kindness of a blade. How?
이때 살아남은 어린아이를 발견하는 이들.
Gently. Been through enough.
Boy, this is your prince, the son of King Saul. Speak only the truth, all right?
Can you tell me who did this?
Lord.
소녀는 자신의 마을이 습격받았던 때를 떠올리며 말해줍니다.
I am so sorry. I'm your prince and I failed to protect you. And I swear, I will find them and I will return them to the dust.
그때 소년이 무언가를 가리키는데요. 그곳엔 거인의 손자국이 남아 있었죠.
You're getting very good.
I apologize for last night. How I spoke to you.
Your spirit is hers. A horse that can never be bridled.
Father, why do you keep me in the hills? You hide me away like a leper.
David,
Why not send me to the king's army? Let me prove myself.
there is no glory to be earned by serving that king.
Tell that to Eliab.
I have many times.
So, why do my brothers get to fight?
한편 다윗은 자신을 계속 양치기로 생활하게 하는 아버지에게 불만을 드러내고 있었는데요.
Going to let him.
I was meant for more than this.
How do you know that, David?
Because God speaks to me. He tells me, Papa,
그때 여동생의 비명소리가 들리고 다윗은 황급히 집으로 달려갑니다.
Papa.
집안엔 방황하던 사자가 돌아다니고 있었죠. 바로 그때
This demon attacks my home. David, stop. I cannot face it alone.
I can, and I will. For all of us.
No, wait. Wait. David, wait.
그렇게 다윗이 사자에게 향하는 사이 사울 왕은 승리를 축하하며 전리품을 각 지파에게 나눠주고 있었습니다.
Father,
Jonathan, my son.
my king.
Quite the still, no?
What will it honor? The defeat of the Amalekites?
More than that, it will be a memorial of all time to the greatness of our house, the glory of Israel.
Greatness of God.
What of the border village?
Completely destroyed. One survivor, a child. Brought him here.
Destroyed by whom?
Unknown, except I saw the print of a hand, larger than a weaver's basket.
Giants have not roamed these lands since the days of Joshua. This is a Philistine trick to intimidate us.
Let us hope.
You are still troubled.
Why are we dividing the spoils of the blood drinkers? We're told to keep nothing.
By Samuel.
Yes, Father, by Samuel.
그런데 사울 왕은 하나님이 사무엘을 통해 자신에게 예언을 전달하는 방식에 대해 불만을 드러내며 교만해지기 시작합니다.
Why can God not speak to me? He's anointed.
Anointed by Samuel.
Jonathan, when you are king, someone will always be angry with you. So who should I appease? The leaders of the 12 tribes, men who fought for us, died in service of our throne? Or one man?
I have no love for these politics.
Life is politics, son. Leave it now. Come. We have a celebration to enjoy.
잠시 후 사울 왕은 연회를 열어 모두를 한자리에 모읍니다.
To your prince and my beloved son, to Jonathan and his coming reign.
To Jonathan, my beloved brother, perfect in every way.
To the house of Saul.
그렇게 사울 왕은 아말렉의 술과 음식을 나누며 즐거운 시간을 보내지만 이때 선지자 사무엘이 등장하는데요.
On the hill above this feast, I found the stela which reads, "To the glory of the house of Saul." He has defeated the Amalekites. May his fame reach every sea. The glory of Saul.
We have a prophet of the Most High God in our midst. Greetings, Samuel, son of Elkanah.
Greetings, Saul, son of Kish of the tribe of Benjamin. The least of the tribes of Israel has produced a great lie.
Have you come to sacrifice with us?
I've come to speak the words of the Lord God spoken to me last night.
We have obeyed the commands of the Lord. The Amalekites have been utterly destroyed.
하지만 사무엘은 아말렉의 전리품을 취하고 아말렉의 왕을 노예처럼 부린 사울에게 분노를 드러냅니다.
Why has filth been brought in to pollute what is meant to be holy?
Come, my old friend. We tell the old stories. We remember the greatness of God. Come.
한편 사자가 있는 동굴에 들어서는 다윗.
Fear is the enemy. Fear is the thief.
Save the sacrifice. We have sacrificed thousands of men on the field. Is that not enough?
사울은 연회 자리에서 자신에게 망신을 준 사무엘을 다그치지만 사무엘은 사울이 하나님의 말을 거역해 합당한 벌을 받게 될 것이라 말하죠.
I pleaded with the Lord of all heaven, but he would not. Now I must speak as he has spoken.
Speak.
I regret I made Saul king. He has turned his back on me and has not followed my commands.
I obeyed the voice of the Lord. I utterly destroyed the Amalekites.
Get Agag lives.
Chained beneath my table like a dog.
You were told to slay him.
I built a kingdom from nothing, from scattered tribes.
Built a kingdom. Now that you are great in your own eyes, you have rebelled and made yourself evil in the eyes of the Lord.
사무엘은 사울을 향해 하나님의 분노를 전합니다.
Your mind will be cursed.
Get out of my head, sorcerer.
I am no sorcerer. I am a messenger only.
I was afraid of the people.
Why? Why would you be afraid of the people? Why are you not afraid of God instead of man? I loved you. God chose you. Now he chooses another. His spirit is withdrawn from you.
This is my kingdom, and my sons after me. Jonathan will rule.
He will never rule.
Someone.
The Lord has torn the kingdom from you and given it to one greater than you. Who is he? Samuel.
What happened?
Get away from me! Get away!
한편 다윗은 사자와 싸우기 위해 동굴 깊은 곳까지 들어서는데요. 그 시각 아말렉의 왕에게 다가가는 사무엘.
As your sword has made women childless, so shall your mother be childless for all time. God is not mocked.
그렇게 사무엘은 하나님의 말씀을 전한 뒤 사라집니다. 그리고 다윗은 사자를 물리치고 사자의 뼈를 취하는 데 성공하죠.
Master, where are we going now?
To find the king.
잠시 후 집으로 돌아가는 다윗.
Saba, look! Look!
My son. Are you all right?
He won't scare you anymore.
한편 그날 이후 급격히 건강이 나빠져 정신을 잃었던 사울은 간신히 깨어납니다.
Father, be quick. Father has awakened again. He seems more like himself this time.
I will alert the Queen. What I tell you now cannot be known, not by anyone.
그런데 사울은 사무엘이 다른 이에게 성령의 기름을 부으려 한다며 그것을 막아야 한다고 말하는데요.
But that is treason.
Why would you allow Samuel to live?
Samuel's power is not of this world. My blade would do nothing.
Avner, find him. Have him followed. Bring me the one he anoints.
It shall be done.
결국 사울과 왕비는 사무엘을 저지하려 합니다.
The one Samuel anoints, he must be slain, along with everyone in his household. You understand?
I serve the house of Saul.
한편 사울에게 패배해 아말렉이 멸망했다는 소식을 들은 가세왕 아기스는 블레셋의 다른 왕들을 불러 모으는데요.
Greetings, brother kings of Philistia. The Hebrews have destroyed the house of Amalek.
This cannot be.
Yet it is. Fortune has turned in Saul's favor.
Saul is the king of donkeys. The Hebrew tribes are nothing.
Yet Agag, with chariots, idols, and countless men, has been swallowed by the hands of those tribes of nothing.
이에 아기스는 사울과 맞서기 위해 하나로 뭉쳐야 한다고 말하지만 힘이 없는 아기스의 말은 무시당하고 맙니다.
There is not a leader among us to command the five armies. Certainly not you, Achish, king of Gath. I miss your father.
Prepare the horses.
Yes, my king. Where are we going?
To summon new gods.
그 시각 전쟁에서 승리한 뒤 큰 공을 세운 다윗의 형제들이 베들레헴으로 돌아오고 사울의 장수들도 함께 오는데요.
Brethren, I bring greetings from the House of Saul, King of the 12 tribes and Lord of War. And congratulations. Puzzling choice of my friend Yaakov. The king holds all his people in high favor, not the least of which. So he sends his own kin to wish your union well. Make welcome Merav and Mihal, daughters of King Saul.
이때 사울의 딸들이 등장합니다.
Hello, people of Judah.
Greetings from the king and our family. Congratulations to the new couple, Yaakov and Rachel. The king's house intends to forgive all debts of this new family, as well as give them land and sheep from our own herds.
그렇게 연회가 열리고 이들은 서로 어울리며 즐거운 시간을 보냅니다. 그때 다윗의 노래를 들은 사울의 딸 미갈은 다윗에게 관심이 가기 시작하는데요.
Did you write this song?
I learned it from my mother.
It is beautiful. She's a good teacher.
Yes, she was. Perhaps I can write a song for you someday.
Who are you?
Focus on entertaining the guests, Shepherd. That's what you're here for, hmm?
Yoav.
For your efforts.
This is nice.
Fresh from the battlefield.
An Amalekite blade.
Watch your head, cousin.
Yoav, leave him be.
It's time to leave now.
이것이 두 사람의 첫 만남이었죠.
Are you trying to get yourself killed?
That knife is cursed.
It's metal.
It's used by blood drinkers from pagan rituals. It's here forbidden.
We need it. I don't care where it comes from.
I do.
다음 날 돌 던지기를 하고 있는 이들.
Like an eagle!
That's not how it works.
How do you do this so well?
It's easy.
다윗은 자신의 재능을 보여주며 사울의 군대에 데려가 달라고 부탁하지만 형제들은 다윗을 무시합니다.
David, you will not make it a dozen paces before an enemy cuts you down.
You don't believe me?
No. And you, David, you are a poet. And you are a shepherd. You are not a man of blood.
I am a warrior.
I will not defy our father. He is the one that put you in those hills, and he is the reason you will never leave them. Oh, wow.
Fine. Then I will find my own way.
To the battlefield.
Yes.
이에 엘리압은 전쟁터가 얼마나 무서운 곳인지 보여주겠다며 다윗을 어떤 장소로 데려가려 하죠.
Can I ask you a question?
Why not? We have nothing else to do.
What are your memories of her? My mother?
She was a woman of great conviction. And I regret being so unkind to her.
그나마 엘리압은 다윗이 의지할 수 있는 형이었습니다. 잠시 후 폐허가 된 어떤 성에 도착한 두 사람.
Who did this?
That remains a mystery. We are being watched. David.
그렇게 엘리압이 수상함을 느끼는 사이 다윗은 어떤 집안으로 들어섭니다.
Are you a Hebrew? Was this your home?
No. I am not from this place.
Are you from the tribe of Judah? Tribe of the Lion?
I killed a lion.
Impressive.
My brothers do not believe me.
Greatness is often dismissed by those closest to us. Your people have a legend, do they not? Anak, Anakim?
Sons of Anak?
Yes.
Giants. Made when the sons of God descended, had children by the daughters of men.
And you believe in them?
I believe all the words of Moses.
Moses, who drowned the Egyptian army by parting the Great Sea.
David! Run!
결국 이들은 블레셋군에게 쫓기게 되는데요.
Run! Go!
엘리압은 블레셋군을 제압하고 일부러 다윗 앞에서 살인을 저지릅니다. 잠시 후 허겁지겁 도망치는 두 사람.
엘리압! Eliab, over here! David! Eliab!
Shall I summon more men? Finish them?
No, it is done.
그렇게 화살을 대신 맞은 엘리압은 정신을 잃어가는데요.
Eliab, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Leave me. I will never make it.
You've been through war, remember?
It is too far.
No.
No.
하지만 다윗은 포기하지 않고 엘리압을 업은 채 겨우 집까지 돌아옵니다.
Nathaniel, make sure the women stay outside. I want you to see the pain you have caused. This must be quick. We must sear the wound before he bleeds to death. All right. Ready.
I'm sorry.
I do not need apologies. Only obedience.
결국 다윗은 이번 일로 죄책감을 느끼게 되고 그 사이 사무엘은 제자와 함께 이동하고 있었는데
have asked.
Master, when will we return?
Well, why do you ask?
My wife is with child. In her final moon.
Your first.
My first.
Well, I advise you to get plenty of sleep now. I prophesy that you will need it. We will camp soon. You will wait there until I return.
Thank you, but I should assist you.
No, Silas could well turn out to be more than a burden. Might be a sentence of death, huh? No. You think of your future.
그렇게 사무엘이 먼저 다른 마을로 향하는 사이 사울이 보낸 추격자는 탐문을 시작합니다.
He's not long gone. He and his apprentice.
Sir? Please.
잠시 후 사무엘의 제자가 있는 곳으로 찾아온 남자.
Please, pray for me. I have lost everything.
Sorry. I'm an apprentice to serve a priest, not a priest myself.
An apprentice? Then where is your master? Please.
The prophet meditates. In the hills. There's not a big...
결국 남자는 제자를 때려눕히고 손발을 묶어 포박하는데요.
Who are you?
I will free you once you answer this question. Where is Samuel?
My master is not Samuel.
Lies are my tradecraft, apprentice. Do not play a master at his own game.
그리고 남자는 사무엘이 있는 곳을 말하지 않으면 끔찍한 일을 당할 거라고 협박합니다.
You see, maybe tonight I can learn how many bones reside in the human ear.
Wait. You do not know what you're doing. I'm a servant of the Most High God. Do you want to know his wrath?
Here is what I have been longing to say to a Hebrew, and now I can say it to you, apprentice priest. I do not serve Yahweh. I serve my own interest and ambition. If he is real, which is unlikely, I invite him. I invite him to show me his wrath, because here is my truth. He does not see all, and he does not see me. So now, my captive bird, sing me a song and tell me where your master is, or my face will be the last thing you ever see.
He went to Hebron. That is all I know. That's all I know.
Let's begin.
No, no, no!
그 시각 이러한 사실을 모른 채 베들레헴으로 온 사무엘.
Samuel, the Lord's great prophet. While we are honored by your visit, we must first ask, do you come peaceably?
Yes. I come to worship the Most High with you. Send for the family of Jesse. I wish to make a sacrifice with them.
Jesse, son of Oved?
Yes.
Jesse no longer sits with the elders, since he fathered a bastard child by the daughter of an enemy.
이때 다윗의 아버지 이새에 관해 들은 사무엘은 의미심장한 미소를 짓습니다.
God is funny. Very well. Where is his home?
잠시 후 이새의 집에 도착한 사무엘.
My lord.
Jesse, son of Boaz. Why do you tremble? Stand up. Stand and look at me. I've come to make an offering to the Lord. Gather your sons. We will sacrifice together.
그렇게 이새는 자신의 아들들을 모두 부르지만 이번에도 그는 다윗을 부르지 않았는데요.
Father, what is this? The seer has gone mad. I saw it at Gilgal.
Why is David not here?
Eliav, the oldest of my sons.
Surely, you are the one the Lord demands. Eliab, the beginning of your father's might, as unrestrained as the ocean's tide. And yet, why are you so afraid?
사무엘은 이새의 아들들을 하나씩 살펴보지만 어째선지 하나님이 말한 사람은 찾을 수 없었습니다. 이에 사무엘은 잠시 생각하다 이새를 보곤 정색하며 화를 내는데요.
Why have you disobeyed my command? Are there no other sons of Jesse?
There is one more. The youngest of my sons, David. He watches the sheep.
Send for him. We will stand until your other son is here. Now.
David! David! Come!
그렇게 양을 지키던 다윗은 사무엘에게 향합니다.
These are the words the Lord God speaks to you. Why are you ashamed of what I intend to magnify?
This is David, son of a different...
Son of your shame.
이새는 여전히 다윗이 배다른 자식이라는 것을 계속 부끄러워하고 있었죠.
Who are you?
I am Samuel, prophet of the Most High.
다윗은 사무엘이 하나님의 사자라는 말을 듣자 곧바로 무릎을 꿇습니다.
Look at me, son of Jesse.
그리고 사무엘은 이 작은 다윗이 바로 하나님이 말한 사람이었다는 걸 알게 되죠.
I came expecting a great warrior, and yet God does not see what man sees. Man sees the outward appearance. God looks into the heart. Simple shepherd, when this day is through, you will be something entirely new.
그날 밤 사무엘은 곧바로 다윗에게 성령의 기름을 부으려 합니다.
Kneel, son of Jesse, least of your brothers. The Lord of hosts has chosen you. Lion of the tribe, your heart seeks after God, and therefore he has sought after you. The Lord has rejected the house of Saul forever. Today, he claims you as his son, and in your house, all of Israel shall be blessed. Rise, David. The Lord's anointed.
Anointed? As what?
King of Israel.
그렇게 끊임없이 무시당하고 차별받아왔던 다윗은 하나님의 부름을 받고 이스라엘의 왕으로 선택됩니다. 한편 사울은 자신의 권력을 굳건히 다지려 합니다.
Saul, slayer of the Amalekites, protector of all Israel, first king of the promised land, hewn from the gates of kings fallen. May the house of Saul endure forever.
그 시각 다윗은 기름 부음을 받은 뒤 환상을 보게 되는데요.
What is this place? What did I see?
The Spirit. It rests on you now, as it did Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and Moses before you. God does not see only what you are. He sees what you will become. There is great power in you. I feel it. Great capacity, passions that rage. And this will be your blessing, and this will be your curse. This is what I see.
Wait, stay with us.
It's not safe for you.
Why?
If Saul hears of this, he will try to kill us both. I will return soon with answers, I hope.
그렇게 다시 만날 날을 기약하며 사무엘은 다윗을 떠납니다.
Silas!
하지만 사무엘은 자신의 제자가 죽어 있는 것을 목격하고 말죠. 며칠 뒤 다윗의 집을 찾아오는 사울의 병사들.
Orders from the house of Saul.
Cousin, what is this?
It is a summons, signed with the king's own ring.
Let us get ready. Come, Aviradar.
No. It's not for you. It's for David.
그런데 어째선지 다윗을 데려오라는 명령이 내려지는데요.
What is this about?
You didn't tell me.
Yoav, he is my brother. He must know something.
I do not question the orders. I carry them out, family or not. It would be good for you to remember that.
결국 다윗은 영문도 모른 채 집을 떠나 사울의 성으로 향하게 됩니다.
What do you... I'm not scared of the lion anymore.
Ava, watch the sheep for me.
There is no need for goodbyes. I will see you again soon.
그렇게 집을 떠나는 엘리압과 다윗. 그 시각 사울의 둘째 아들 에스바알이 사울을 찾아오는데요.
It's me, father. Allow me to stay. No king should be alone.
To be a king is to be alone.
How can I ease your burdens?
Stop angering your mother.
What if you took a day off? I know a tavern not far from here. Wine and women.
You expect me to disrespect your mother?
No, but you can still look.
사울은 가뜩이나 성령을 빼앗겨 불안한데 방탕한 모습만 보이며 권력을 탐하는 둘째 아들이 걱정됩니다.
So,
Ishbal, leadership is not your strength. In time you will find your purpose, but for now, please leave me to mine.
but father, this is a chance for me to find that purpose. For once, had I been born 10 months earlier, perhaps I would have this strength.
Son, it is not about when you were born, it is who you are.
그런데 이때 갑자기 다른 지파의 사람들이 황급히 찾아오는데요.
The elder of the tribe of Dan.
I must speak to you, my friend.
Speak.
The House of Saul has betrayed me!
How have we betrayed you?
Your Highness, God blessed my family with only one beautiful daughter, Dinah. She was a prize bride, fit for a nobleman. But now that is out of the question.
And what does that have to do with our family?
Your brother defiled her.
And how can you be sure it was him?
I am no liar. My daughter swears it.
에스바알이 결국 사고를 쳤다는 소식에 사울은 다리에 힘이 풀리고 맙니다.
So,
What is this? Where are you going? What is this? I am not finished. I demand that you stay.
Demand? Who do you think you are? Brother, you're not needed. Seems I am.
You shamed my daughter and my house.
Which one is your daughter again? Is she the one with the lumpy back or the eyes that don't match?
Eshbal.
하지만 에스바알은 뻔뻔하게도 사과는커녕 조롱을 하기 시작하는데요.
Did you defile this man's daughter? To marry my daughter and join our houses.
I certainly am not about to marry a defiled woman.
How dare you? Amends must be made.
Yair, no, we can discuss this.
No, let me simplify this for you. Eshbal houses will never be joined. Yair of Dan.
Eshbal, be quiet. Then I invoke the law of Moses. You must marry her or be stoned to death.
Who speaks of death in this palace?
이때 사울의 아내가 나타납니다.
The king sends me. You invoke the law of Moses that my son must be stoned. But the law of Moses would also demand that your daughter be stoned alongside my son. Is this something you offer? Return tomorrow and we shall settle this.
잠시 후 에스바알은 여동생과 놀이를 하며 태평한 모습을 보이는데요.
What do you think they're going to do to you?
To not be forgotten, whatever.
I saw Mother today. She was upset.
Rob, I don't have to do anything.
하지만 그날 저녁 식사 자리에서 에스바알은 따가운 눈초리를 받게 됩니다.
What?
결국 형인 요나단과 에스바알이 언성을 높이며 말싸움을 벌이게 되고 이에 사울이 화를 내는데요.
You asked what you are to me. And the truth is, from the day you first drew breath, you are nothing but the curse!
숨겨왔던 분노를 표출하는 사울.
Elder of the tribe of Dan, I also wish to invoke the law of Moses. I choose to banish my son to the refuge city of Endor.
No. Endor, Mother, have you lost your mind? That is a place for criminals and outcasts.
You cannot!
You shall appoint for yourself cities of refuge so that the one who trespasses may flee there. Those cities will serve as refuge for the Avenger. This is the law, and this is what I choose.
Please, Mother.
Gods.
No, Mother. Mother, please.
This will spare blood from both our houses.
No!
그렇게 에스바알은 성에서 쫓겨나게 됩니다.
Sorry, sister. Guess you were right.
You're coming back though, right?
I don't know. I hope you find the happiness you deserve.
I'm sorry.
Please don't.
Look after Mother.
그리고 에스바알이 쫓겨남과 동시에 다윗이 사울의 성으로 도착합니다. 다윗은 왕비가 있는 방으로 들어가는데요.
Bow to you, Queen Shepherd.
Your name?
David.
My queen, if I may, why is he here?
You have gained quite the reputation. I am anxious to hear you play.
To play?
알고 보니 다윗은 음악가로서 부름을 받은 것이었습니다. 잠시 후 다윗은 분노하고 있는 사울을 진정시킬 수 있는 연주를 하라는 명령을 받는데요.
Play.
That's your ear. Threatening me and my family if I was there. And you weren't there. Take the head of any man who tried to seize my throne. Any man!
하지만 이때 다윗은 너무나도 살벌한 광경에 그만 호흡곤란이 오고 맙니다.
Are you alright?
I'm sorry.
You might look in my eyes. Take a deep breath. Alright, I'll do it with you.
No more of it!
You might not recall, but I heard you play at the wedding. And you were wonderful. That is why I asked the Queen to bring you here. So just play like that again.
You chose me?
I did.
But I've never played anywhere like this. I don't know how to play it.
Just play to me.
그렇게 공주미갈의 격려 덕분에 다윗은 정신을 차리고 연주를 시작하죠. 다윗의 감미로운 노래소리를 들은 사울왕은 놀랍게도 안정을 되찾는데요.
She told me to look at her, so I looked at her.
I'm sure you did.
She did. Okay, and she said she chose me, and then I just sang, and I think everyone really enjoyed it. And she looked right at me,
Really?
right at me, and it was incredible, and she was so beautiful.
But hear me, you must not draw attention to yourself.
Look, you can see the whole city.
형 엘리압은 다윗이 걱정돼 조용히 지내라고 하지만 다윗은 모든 것이 신기할 따름입니다.
I will find a way to get you out of here as soon as I can. Until then, you are not to move. You are not to be seen.
하지만 다윗은 호기심을 이기지 못한 채 한밤중에 성을 둘러보게 되는데요.
It's beautiful.
What are you doing here?
Princess,
You cannot be in here. It's sacred.
forgive me, Princess. I'll leave.
No. No, stay. You said it was beautiful here. Why?
In a room filled with the words of God. I've always longed to see a place like this.
You love words.
I'm a poet. I live for them.
Princess, it is... should I call the guards?
No, do not let anyone enter.
그렇게 둘만의 시간을 가지게 된 이들은 같이 성경 말씀을 읽습니다.
Can you read it for me?
Let me share this passage with you. It's the Song of Moses. Give ear, O heaven, and I will speak. Let the earth listen to the words of my mouth, for I proclaim the name of the Lord. Ascribe greatness to our God, for he is the rock, and his work is perfect. For all his ways are justice, a God of truth and without injustice. Righteous and upright is he.
그날 이후 다윗은 미갈이 알려준 구절을 노래로 만들어 사울 왕에게 바치는데요.
Was that the Song of Moses?
Yes.
Beautiful. I've always loved it.
하지만 이런 다윗의 행복은 그리 오래가지 못했습니다.
You asked for us, Lord Commander.
Let me confide in you this. I believe there's a new plan to take power from Saul and to give it to a pretender. And I believe it comes from the tribe of Judah.
We will end this threat at all costs.
사무엘이 다른 이에게 기름 부었다는 소문이 퍼지기 시작했는데요.
Eliav, this is an honor. We have been chosen.
To kill our own people?
Whispers say that Samuel visited our lands. If you knew more of it, you would tell me.
I would. Yoav, Eliav, must leave immediately.
Yes, my prince.
엘리압은 다윗에게 이를 알려 경고하려 하지만
David, you must.
결국 이 사실을 다윗에게 전하지 못한 채 엘리압은 출정하게 됩니다. 한편 유다 지파의 수장인 아드리엘과 사울 왕의 측근인 아브네르가 만납니다.
I'm quite curious of the manner in which Samuel attended a celebration feast. And since the day he butchered the Amalekite king before us all, he has traveled to many places for reasons cloaked in mystery.
Have you seen him in your land?
Ah, interesting. So this is of concern to you. Yes, he came and made sacrifices.
With whom?
Avner. But information is surely a currency of its own. I would need certain assurances.
And what do you have in mind this time?
아드리엘이 사무엘에 관한 걸 알고 있다 판단한 아브네르는 왕비에게 이 사실을 전합니다.
What else did he say?
Nothing that he would share. But surely if Samuel's anointed another, the tribe of Judah will change allegiance accordingly. Paternity.
We need to put a stop to this. We need another distraction to capture hearts and minds.
What's that?
Love. A union.
결국 왕비는 아드리엘의 유다 지파를 불러 자신의 딸과 결혼시킬 계획을 세우는데요.
Are we forced to welcome him into our home?
No. This must be done. Show Adriel your strength. I will be at your side the whole time.
Father?
Amazing. You look like a queen.
잠시 후 유다 지파를 위한 성대한 잔치가 열립니다.
King Saul of Israel and his royal family.
한편 이러한 사실을 알리 없던 다윗. 잠시 후 유다 지파의 수장인 아드리엘과 그 자손들이 등장하는데요.
It has been far too long since our families shared a meal.
Indeed, Saul.
Adriel, you are a highly respected leader of one of our greatest tribes, and your sons fight for me still. The time has come, at long last, Benjamin and Judah, for our families to unite. Today I offer up my daughter in marriage.
그제서야 사실을 깨닫는 다윗이었지만 그가 할 수 있는 건 아무것도 없었습니다.
A royal union between my daughter Michal and one of your sons.
Shepherd, play!
그렇게 서로 간의 친목을 다질 시간이 찾아오지만 아드리엘의 아들들은 하나같이 볼품없었기에 금세 공주들이 아깝다는 얘기들이 흘러나오는데요.
Look at his sons. Useless, entitled fools. Barely a warrior among them.
Your place to see or not see. It is because the king commanded it.
결국 다윗은 참지 못하고 몰래 미갈에게 다가갑니다.
Are you mad? Are you? You cannot go through with this.
I have no choice. Now go before someone sees.
Please tell your father you don't want this.
This is my life, David. It was always going to be this way. I have a duty. And so do you now. Play.
No, David, do not follow her. You get back in there and you play your music.
I have to tell her.
Tell her what?
The truth. Who I really am. That I'm anointed and I will...
You will not.
I cannot keep lying to her.
Well, then you will not survive the day.
If I become a part of their family, there will be no bloodshed. Don't you see? But they have to tell her now before she's married.
Kings protect bloodlines and eliminate threats. All of our lives are at stake here.
자신의 정체를 밝히겠다는 다윗을 향해 엘리압은 절대로 그래선 안 된다 경고하죠.
Sacred text for me to take home to Judah.
I don't think traveling across...
The scepter will not depart.
그런데 아드리엘과 대화하던 사울은 갑자기 마귀의 환상을 보기 시작하는데요.
The lion will turn on you. You said that. Lion of Judah has come. Kill the lion.
Saul, are you well?
What is it you really want, Adriel?
A permanent seat on your council.
Done. We will finalize the terms later. Now let us drink and celebrate our children.
Yes.
Yes. Shepard, get ready to play something lively.
그렇게 다윗은 연주를 할 수밖에 없었습니다.
Wonderful. Beautiful.
잠시 후 복잡한 마음으로 밖에서 쉬고 있던 미갈에게 다윗이 다가가는데요. 두 사람은 서로의 마음을 확인하지만 현실은 냉정했죠.
Go. You have to go. Please. David. David, you have to go. Go.
그렇게 돌아가던 다윗에게 사촌인 요압이 다가와 경고를 합니다.
You really thought you could come to this palace, play a few songs, and corrupt the princess like that?
You brought me here at the order of the king!
To comfort him, not to corrupt his daughter.
Every moment I've spent with the princess has been at her request, cousin!
You've been a plague on our family's name since your birth. And your brother has been too soft on you. Let me teach you a lesson. Yes, woman on! You do not meet with the princess. You do not look at the princess, and you don't even think of her. Am I clear, bastard? Swear it, or I drop you now.
Try it. What? I have a purpose here, Yoav. God has shown me this. Do you know yours?
결국 다윗의 당당함에 요압은 한 발 물러서고 말죠. 한편 미갈 역시 다윗과의 관계에 대해 추궁당합니다.
The reputation of our family has been questioned. The last thing we need is rumors of you chasing about a shepherd boy.
And what if he is a shepherd? Father was a poor donkey herder.
Your father is the anointed one.
Not when you married him.
I am a daughter of a farmer. You are a daughter of a king. Do you even know who this boy is?
I do. He's humble. He sees me as more than a trophy.
David lives all alone on a hill because he's a bastard, an outcast, shamed wherever he goes. This boy captured your heart, I understand. But a year from now, you will have forgotten his name. Yet the damage done to this house could last. You see, my love.
그리고 다음 날 양가의 결합을 확정하는 자리가 열리는데요.
I'm so proud to join our families together. As a gift, I have brought this scroll. Sacred words.
May I read Jacob's blessing for our children so that they may remember their legacy? And Israel called for his sons and said, "Gather around so I can tell you what will happen to you in days to come." Then Israel said,
이때 사울왕은 또다시 마귀의 음성을 듣습니다.
Lose it all. Silence. Do you not see?
The scepter will not depart from Judah.
Listen to his words.
Whom it belongs shall come.
Lion.
And the obedience.
Stop!
I have not finished the blessing.
I see you, Adriel. I know why you have come.
What do you mean?
You have been planning the takeover of my throne since the first moment you have come, my king.
결국 마귀의 속임수에 넘어가 버린 사울.
This offer of marriage is over. Our houses will not be joined.
Saul, you are tired. Let's discuss this in the
Do
morning.
not pacify me, woman! I'm your king! Your sons will never be good enough for my daughters, and your greedy hands will not touch my throne. Never.
It's true what they say. You have gone mad.
Get out of my house! Get out of my house!
그렇게 마귀로 인해 폭주하는 사울 때문에 모든 것은 취소되고 마는데요.
Will turn on you.
그날 이후 마귀로 인해 사울은 건강까지 다시 나빠집니다.
Why do these demons still haunt him? Can you not help him?
His soul is at war.
결국 왕비는 사울을 낫게 하기 위해 주술의 힘을 빌리려 하지만 그것은 명백히 하나님과 율법에 어긋나는 것이었기에 망설이는데요.
He will not without the king's seal. It remains forbidden.
The king is in a deep sleep. If he will not change the law, perhaps you will have to.
그렇게 왕비는 왕의 인장을 훔쳐 주술의 힘을 빌리기로 합니다. 잠시 후 잠에서 깬 사울은 다윗을 만나는데요.
Forgive me, my king. I couldn't sleep.
Neither could I. Every new era comes and ships away the old.
I believe the name of Saul will never die.
My family think I'm going mad. But that jackal wanted my throne and isn't worthy to sit upon it. This chair that every man dreams about, it changes you sitting there.
To be anointed, not by your own choice.
Do you want to sit?
That is for the Lord's anointed.
I should go to bed to rest before the wrath of tomorrow.
No, I will walk with you.
No, I can't make it.
그렇게 사울이 다시 침실로 향하고 다윗은 기름 부은 자만이 앉을 수 있는 왕의 자리에 한번 앉아봅니다. 그날 이후 정서가 불안정해진 사울은 매번 다윗에게 노래를 부탁하며 마음의 안정을 되찾고 있었는데요.
God has bestowed a blessed gift upon you.
Thank you, my king.
Watching your herd, the farm, I miss it.
You grew up on a farm.
I was not born king, I became one. Much like you, I tended animals. Donkeys in my case.
From shepherd to king.
All is possible. You can be anything, no matter where you start. And do not allow the words of any one man to take your destiny from you. It's yours. Hold on to it tight.
사울의 충고를 들은 다윗은 미갈에게 자신의 마음을 전하기 위해 찾아가지만 미갈은 다윗의 아픈 부분을 건드립니다.
Why didn't you tell me who you really are? My mother told me you were an outcast to your tribe and your family. It changes nothing of how I see you, but I thought we were honest with each other.
The truth is, I'm afraid. When people find out who I really am, and I lose them, am I going to lose you now?
David.
My brother, he offered me a way out of the castle unseen. Let me show you what you can be like outside of these walls. No royal destiny weighing on your shoulders.
When she saw I was missing, my mother would send the king's army to retrieve me. You would be a hunted man.
Then we can go further, somewhere they can never find us.
다윗은 함께 도망가자고 제안하지만 미갈은 그럴 수 없다며 거절합니다.
My future is not mine to decide.
That is true only if you believe it.
Here are two things that are absolutely true. I love you.
What?
And we can never be. Never.
Michal.
한편 가세왕 아기스는 믿는 구석이 생겼는지 다시 한번 5 왕들을 모아 힘을 합치자고 제안하는데요.
But the 5 armies will only unite if they can see this great strength for themselves.
You wish to see my strength. It's about to walk up to my gates and kneel at my feet.
잠시 후 성 앞에 사람이 아닌 듯 거대한 체구를 지닌 남자가 나타납니다. 아기스는 바로 전설로 내려오던 거인족과 연락이 닿아 그들을 초청한 것인데요.
Great one. I have something interesting for you to see. Tell the other kings to assemble in the valley of Elah. I will meet you there with my army and my giants.
그렇게 거인 골리앗에게 아기스는 전용 무구를 선물합니다.
Panoply armor, divine, crafted by the finest Mycenium blacksmith. There's none like it.
You two want to play?
그리고 블레셋의 왕들이 보는 앞에서 골리앗은 압도적인 힘을 보여주는데요.
Not harm him.
Who wants to fight?
Ally with me. Aid in my victory. You and your sons will live like kings.
Kings? They are already gods.
결국 아기스는 거인족을 이용해 블레셋 왕들의 연합을 이끄는 데 성공하고 사울과의 전쟁을 준비하게 됩니다.
Hold him still. What for? I need to take his blood.
한편 왕비는 주술로서 사울을 다스리기 시작하고 이에 사울은 나날이 약해져 갑니다.
What are you doing in the royal quarters? Oh, you are looking for her, aren't you?
You lost your mind.
What are you doing?
That's it. You are going home. Now.
What did you
Elia!
What is this? I'm a prince. It is time for my brother to leave the palace. Stop. Now. A musician is in the service of my father. The king will decide when he leaves.
이때 사울의 비명 소리를 들은 요나단은 사울이 있는 곳으로 향하는데요.
Something blocks me. An energy. Presence.
ends now.
What have you done?
Spared us all from this. Under law, even a queen
Do
could be
not
killed.
tell me what the law is.
God rules this house.
God forsaken this house.
This is not the way.
그런데 이때 주술사가 다윗을 보고 그의 힘을 눈치챕니다.
You caused all of this.
결국 다윗이 위험하다 판단한 왕비는 그가 기름 부은 자인 줄은 꿈에도 모른 채 다윗을 내쫓고 말죠.
Saul. Saul. Saul.
Where's that boy? The musician.
He's gone.
I need him. How could you let him go? I need him to play for me.
I know. We will find another, I promise. Drink this.
한편 요나단은 아버지 사울을 낫게 하기 위해 선지자 사무엘을 찾아가기로 하는데요.
I have to do something. Be careful. And you, Abner.
그런데 이때 산을 오르던 요나단은 갑자기 환상을 보기 시작합니다. 정신을 차린 요나단은 사무엘이 있는 곳을 발견하는데요.
Samuel, it's Jonathan! It's Jonathan! Jonathan? Why didn't you say so?
Are you hurt?
You have not lost your strength.
Ah, my old man's strength, huh?
What just happened to me? I don't understand what I saw.
In time, you will.
You remember the days past, Samuel? Fighting at my father's side? Teaching me as a boy.
These memories flood me each and every day. They break my heart.
Why does this curse remain?
Jonathan, the only curse is your father's unwillingness to release what is no longer his. Tell me, what is the first commandment that Moses gave here on this very mountain?
You shall have no other gods before me.
And yet, your father has become a god unto himself, and he is tormented because of that.
You can bring him back.
I have no such power.
You do. You are Samuel. You led Israel. All men fear you.
No.
As they should.
Oh, Jonathan, I have begged for your father. There are some mistakes that cannot be undone.
And the visions I had ascending the mountain, they come to pass?
There is truth in them, but I cannot say whether they will come to pass. Hey, none of this is your doing.
결국 사울을 원래대로 되돌릴 수 없다는 말을 들은 요나단은 사무엘이 기름 부은 자가 누구인지 물어봅니다.
You anointed another?
First I must ask, who do you serve?
God. Above all.
Indeed I have.
As king?
A king whose reign will know no end. If I were you, I would pass by the great valley on your return.
그렇게 사무엘은 다윗이라는 말은 숨긴 채 요나단에게 경고를 하며 사라집니다. 다음 날 돌아가던 요나단은 충격적인 광경을 목격하는데요. 블레셋의 대군을 본 요나단은 즉시 이 사실을 알립니다.
The Philistines have assembled at the mouth of Elah.
We already received word. How many did you see?
They cover the mountain like sands on the shore. I've never seen such an army.
Do giants walk among them?
I cannot say for sure.
Summon the tribes. All of them.
My king.
Together we shall do what we have always done.
한편 집으로 돌아온 다윗은 형제들을 다시 전쟁터로 보내고 있는 아버지를 발견합니다.
I will be the first to die. What is this? Father is sending us all to war.
War? What war?
The Philistines. They have rallied against us. This is madness. I will not go.
I will take his place. Send me.
He will take my place.
He
Send him.
cannot go.
Why not? You said every man.
He is not yet a man.
Neither am I.
If there is a war, I will fight.
Do as I say. Travel to the king. David must remain.
Nathanael, come on.
Why?
Do not.
Give me an answer.
Not today, David. Not as I've just sent all my sons to war.
I am also your son.
That is not what I meant.
I deserve...
What is it you believe you deserve, David? What do you deserve?
Honesty. I deserve to know why you keep me in these hills.
And I have told you many times.
Deep calls to deep. Didn't she say this?
Deep calls to deep.
I know in my soul, you have never told me the truth. Please.
Tend to the sheep, David.
하지만 결국 이번에도 다윗은 전쟁터로 나가지 못한 채 다시 양들을 돌보는 신세가 되고 맙니다. 한편 블레셋의 대군과 대치하며 다시 전쟁터에 서게 된 사울.
Tell me, Avner. Tell me who I am.
You are Saul the Conqueror.
And why was I anointed king?
For this very moment.
사울은 마지막 힘을 다해 블레셋 군과 맞서려 하지만 이번 싸움은 결코 쉬워 보이지 않았는데요.
Over 150,000 Philistines so far. More arrive by the day.
Courage, brothers. Courage.
이에 병사들을 격려하는 사울.
My king, as always, we have come to fight. Myself and 25,000 of the tribe of Judah. War is not forgotten, my king. But today, we fight as one.
We fight as one.
Brothers! Behold the king!
그렇게 사울은 다시 전장으로 나섭니다. 그리고 잠시 후 아기스도 전장에 나섭니다.
Kish of God leads them. Seems angry.
After what you did to his father on the battlefield, cannot blame him, I would be.
You would lead with strategy, not with emotion.
And what of Ekron?
It seems he hasn't united all 5 territories. That's a good sign.
하지만 그때 아기스의 포효와 함께 지면이 흔들리기 시작합니다. 그리고 골리앗이 등장하죠.
Gods of earth.
Where is your king?
Send him out to face me, that I may hack him apart and feed him and your God to the cross.
He's just a man, Father.
And I will reclaim these lands with his blood. Send me your champion.
골리앗을 본 사울은 두려움에 사로잡혀 또 환상을 보게 되는데
Father, gather yourself. Father! Curse you, demon! Away from me! To get up.
Father, look at your men. You are the king.
Away from me! Find someone willing to fight him! I will offer my daughter in marriage! Erase their dates! Anything! Go!
한편 다윗은 사무엘과 만나 이야기를 나누고 있었습니다.
Samuel, why do we wait? I must go. I am ready.
It was your mother taught you to play, yes? The influence of a mother is greater than a king, 1,000 kings.
Can I tell you something? I've been seeing things, or dreams, visions, but they feel so real.
다윗은 자신이 본 환상을 사무엘에게 말하는데요.
But it feels like home. Mountains so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it before. And the warrior, his sword drawn. What is this place? Protecting the stream.
I know of this. It is written. It is Joshua. The night before the great battle, Joshua encountered a figure, a warrior, with a drawn sword.
Who was he?
And Joshua asked the warrior, "For us, or are you for our enemies?" And the warrior replied, "Neither. As captain of the armies of the Lord of hosts, I now come." You see what men forget? They ask, is God for us? Is God with us? But the question they should be asking is, are we with God? And then Joshua asked him, "What do you call upon your servants to do?" And this is the correct question to ask. And the warrior replied, "Remove the shoes from your feet, for you stand on holy ground." And Joshua did, and he fell upon his face and worshipped. Perhaps this is the reason that the walls of Jericho fell down before him.
But why show these visions to me?
Because you have a role to play in this grand design.
How can I do that trapped in a field?
There is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven.
그렇게 다윗이 때를 기다리는 동안 골리앗은 매일 사울의 군대를 도발하고 있습니다.
Choose a man. Send him down to me. And if he strikes me down, we will be your slaves. Well! How many days must we do this? You champion in Israel! Are you not servants of your God? Come and fight me!
한편 왕비는 사울의 군대가 처한 상황을 전해 듣는데요.
Philistines have united their armies against us. Some 250,000 men.
What?
And they have a giant.
What should we do?
There is nothing left to do.
There's always something. At the very least, we pray.
To whom?
You know to whom.
I will save my breath.
하지만 이미 왕비는 하나님을 외면한 상태였습니다.
We have to do something.
결국 미갈은 하나님의 말씀이 담긴 두루마리를 가지고 전장으로 향하기로 하는데요.
Michal, I'm going to see father.
To battle? Have you lost your mind?
He needs me.
I need you. Michal, our brothers are gone. Our mother has given up. There's only us.
Come with me then.
그렇게 두 딸은 신락 같은 희망을 가지고 전쟁터로 출발하죠.
Tribal cowards and traitors.
Watch your tongue. You plan to hide in caves whilst your brethren face this enemy? They have a giant. We have nothing. Zebulun fights for God. And God is not with our king.
한편 사울의 군대에서는 골리앗에게 전의를 상실해 도망가는 사람들이 속출하고 이에 요나단이 직접 나서보기로 하는데요.
I say we fight! And even if we cannot win, For God and Israel! For God and Israel!
What are you doing? I'm going to face the giant.
No, you're not.
Real speaks the truth. Someone must do it.
That thing is going to tear you apart. It's going to rip you in half before the eyes of our brethren.
There is no other way!
Yes, there is.
그 시각 사무엘은 다윗을 전쟁터로 보내기 전 그의 아버지 이새를 만나 얘기를 나눠보려 합니다.
Now, go away. I must speak with your father.
I will be in the East Fields. Join me when you're finished, Great One.
This should be an offering of thanksgiving. The blessing of the Most High is upon your house. But your spirit is heavy. There is no weight so great as a lie. Is that not so, Jesse? So why do you cling to him?
I keep him from himself and shame from this family.
Jesse, speak the truth. So, you, a man, you stand in the way of God. Is it because you begat your son in sin? Huh? The son of Jesse, the sin of Jesse, anointed for all to see? Is it shame that compels you? No, it is not. It is something else. It is something deeper. And yet these are words that you have never spoken. That God requires of us to give what we love the most.
결국 사무엘의 말을 들은 이새는 다윗을 조용히 부르는데요.
Come, David. There are things I've wanted to say for so long, and suddenly I have no words to say them. I took my first wife in prudence. Our union was wise. For her tribe and mine, my bloodline was tainted.
Because of Grandmother Ruth?
Yes, she was a Moabite. But my wife, she was pure. It was after she returned to the dust that I met your mother. She was so different. Married unlawfully. But I loved her, David. Your mother's final words to me.
I know. She said to keep me safe.
No, that is not what she said. Let him rise.
Let him rise.
Those were her words. She saw visions, your mother. She had dreams about you, about what you would become. Forgive me, son. Forgive me. I have kept you here because you are the last part of her that remains. I don't send you to the fields because I am ashamed of you. I keep you here because, David, because I love you. As I loved her. I've loaded the donkey with food and supplies. I need you to take them.
Where?
To the battlefield. To your brothers.
그렇게 부자간의 오해를 푼 다윗은 이제 형제들이 있는 전쟁터로 향하기로 하죠.
Will we go together?
I have my own journey to make. Do you remember the first words that I said to you? I said, God does not see as man sees. He sees into the heart. And you have the heart of a lion. What do lions do? They roar.
사자의 마음을 가지고 전쟁터로 향하는 다윗.
How many days must we do this? Is there no champion in Israel? Anybody who will fight me?
I see fire pits and smoke. Oh, yes, Father's camp. We're not far.
한편 요나단은 소수의 병력을 이끌고 밤중에 기습을 시도합니다. 하지만 병사들에게 배신당한 요나단.
I'm sorry, my prince. They paid me more.
I've waited many years for this, since the day your father killed mine.
Wait, Mirav, look. Wait, stop. Something is wrong. Go, get down.
Halt! What is that?
결국 요나단이 이끄는 병력은 순식간에 전멸하고 마는데요.
We should go. Let's turn back. No. Mirav, father needs us.
Why do you mourn for those who've abandoned you? You will kneel, or be made to kneel.
그리고 다음 날 골리앗이 무언가를 든 채 나타납니다.
Are these the assassins that you sent to me last night? Cowards! But you will try and kill me as I sleep. So this is how all of you will die.
Watch out!
Choose a mortal amongst you. Or send me your Yahweh.
그 시각 요나단은 손발이 묶인 채 아기스를 마주합니다.
So where is your god? I see no smoke from sacrifice rising from your camp.
아기스는 사울의 군대를 조롱하며 요나단을 풀어줄 테니 항복을 위해 설득하라고 말하는데요.
The moment it begins its next cycle, my patience will be at an end. Return to your father. Convince him to surrender. You cannot beat my giant, and you cannot win this battle. Oh, and Jonathan, if your answer is no, I give you my word. The next time I see you, my arrow will pierce your heart.
한편 드디어 사울이 있는 곳에 도착한 두 딸들.
Princess! Take us to the king.
그 시각 사울은 계속 마귀의 환상에서 벗어나지 못하고 있었는데요.
I brought you something. Remember? These are the words of God to Moses. Do not be terrified or afraid. The Lord your God, who goes before you always, He Himself will fight for you. And in the wilderness, where you saw how He carried you, just as a good father would carry a child.
결국 미갈의 노력 덕분에 사울은 기적적으로 정신을 차리게 됩니다.
Hija, my sweet child.
그리고 때마침 다윗도 전장에 도착하는데요.
I make this offer for the last time. There is no escape. Send me your champion.
What are they doing?
Or you shall all be slain.
Who is this giant to defy the armies of the living God?
No one can face him, boy.
Why? He is one man.
He is a god among men.
There is one God, and he fights with us.
Eliab, your brother.
Abinadab, come see
My brother.
David is here.
I told you to stay. If father knew you were here...
Father is the one who sent me here, and he gave me his blessing. And if none of you will fight this giant, then I will.
Okay,
I will
do
fight
not
him.
encourage
Yes.
him.
Yes, why have you not fought him, huh? You're the best warrior of Judah.
David, have you seen the size of that thing?
So what? How can you forget, brother? How can you all forget?
Forget what?
The greatness of God.
Musician boy, you brought your lyre. Good. You will go to the king. You will play for him. You will comfort him.
그렇게 일단 사울을 찾아가는 다윗.
Shepherd, what a surprise. Are you here to play for me?
I'm here to fight for you.
Forgive us. Lord King, my brother can be foolish and rash.
I will fight the giant.
Let him speak.
My king, I will fight the giant.
You are only a boy. You cannot fight him.
Your servant has kept his father's sheep for many years. In that time, I have killed both bear and lion.
That's enough.
When the lion attacked my flock and rose against me, I went after it, caught it by its beard, struck it, and killed it.
다윗의 당당함에 순간 분위기는 바뀌는데요.
That's true, my king. He did.
Abinadab.
What? I always believed
You
it.
are not helping.
This giant blasphemes the Lord of hosts. But the same Lord who rescued me from the lion and the bear will rescue me from the hand of this Philistine.
That monster is a man of war. He was made for this.
I was made for this moment. Trust me, my king. I will slay him.
You speak with great conviction.
Father.
My king.
Yes.
My king.
Go.
I will slay him, my king.
Go.
Get away from me.
Go and fight this giant.
결국 사울은 다윗의 말을 믿어보기로 합니다.
Fight him with the same spirit you bring into this room.
My king, we should discuss this.
Why? I have decided. No other man has volunteered for this task. I name you champion. You should wear the king's armor on the field.
Thank you, my king.
그렇게 다윗은 전장에 나갈 준비를 하고 이때 미갈이 찾아오는데요.
You look like a king.
And feel like one.
I came to give you this. It's the words of God to Joshua. Before a great battle, he said, "Do not be afraid. Be strong and courageous." And you take it with you. Yes. And what's inside you is more powerful than 1,000 swords.
I hope it's true.
I believe in you. You killed that giant. And you come back to me.
다윗이 미갈의 격려를 받고 준비하는 사이 요나단이 살아서 돌아옵니다.
Jonathan, you're alive. How did you survive?
Akish wished it. We are surrounded. The only way out is straight through.
Your father chose a champion.
What? Who?
Wait.
David, please don't do this. Do you doubt me?
I do. It is impossible.
That's the difference between us, brother.
David, why are you not afraid?
I am afraid.
두렵지만 하나님을 믿고 나아가는 다윗. 그렇게 다윗이 골리앗 앞의 모습을 드러내는데요.
This is simple. A fool wandering around in the sheep.
God, give me this ground. Every step, just one step.
The slave race insult me with a boy. you come against me with a stick, so be it, boy. You will become the victim of my wrath.
But I come to you in the name of the Lord of hosts, God of the armies of Israel, whom you have defied. This day, the Lord will deliver you into my hand, and I will strike you, and I will take your head from you. For the battle is the Lord's, and he will deliver you into our hands.
믿음을 가지고 앞으로 나아가는 다윗.
Give me another.
하지만 다윗은 창에 맞고 쓰러지는데요.
You do not deserve to come near me.
I will not let you die by his hand, brother. I'm sorry.
바로 그때
May you be filled with the courage of Moses, with the strength of Samson.
사무엘의 축복과 함께 다윗은 다시 힘을 냅니다. 자신이 보았던 환상이 현실이 되었던 걸 깨달은 다윗은 확신을 가지는데요.
Rise up, David.
그렇게 다윗의 일격에 쓰러지는 골리앗.
Guard! Get my horse and my armor!
그리고 다윗은 믿음의 선포대로 골리앗의 목을 치는데 성공하죠.
And God said to Yeshua, "Be strong and courageous. I will not abandon or forsake you. Do not fear.
그럼 여기까지 용기가 샘솟는 드라마 다윗의 왕국이었습니다.